Creative homeschooling.
Are you ready to learn the ancient art of abacus calculation? Studies have shown that using an abacus can improve concentration, memory, and problem-solving skills. Not only is the abacus a fun and engaging way to learn math, it also has numerous benefits for mental development. Our workbook for beginners is the perfect guide to get you started on your journey to become an abacus master. With clear and concise instructions, our workbook breaks down the basics of abacus use and helps you build a strong foundation of skills. The Abacus Journey Level-1 workbook includes additions and subtractions with single, double, and triple digit sums without complement, as well as a variety of fun activities to spark children's interest in mathematics. So, why wait? Start your abacus journey today with our beginner's workbook. Don't miss out on the opportunity to learn this valuable skill and boost your mental abilities.